So, Mark, I just wanted to introduce you to some of your littlest fans. We have Angel up front, Ozzy Bird in the middle, and then I still haven't renamed the yellow one yet. I haven't decided really. But his name when I adopted him was Kiwi. And they will sit there and they will sing when I'm listening to the Just Whenevers, or I've been playing gaithers a lot for them lately too, and your work. And they just love it. They're little chatterboxes. And I thought I would just record. We were sitting in, settling down, just unwinding for the evening, and they just started singing with you. So I thought I'd record it. It's mostly Angel up front singing. The boys aren't necessarily that energetic.